Bolt.new versus Cursor. If you're a developer looking for a fast AI-powered coding experience, you may have come across Bolt.new and Cursor. Both tools aim to make coding more efficient by integrating AI into the development window or workflow, but they have key differences. In this comparison, we'll break down Bolt.new versus Cursor to help you decide which tool is the best fit for your coding needs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Bolt.new and Cursor offers, their features, strengths, and weaknesses, and which tool is the better for your workflow. So before we get started, all of the mentioned tools are on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now let's start with Bolt.new. Bolt.new is an AI-powered in-browser coding environment that allows developers to quickly start coding without any setup. It's designed for speed and ease of use, enabling users to generate, test, and deploy code in a seamless way. Now the key features for Bolt.new is instant coding. No need to install anything, start coding in seconds. You have AI code assistance because it helps you with writing, debugging, and optimizing code. You have pre-built environments. It supports multiple programming languages. You have fast prototyping. It's ideal for quick project iterations. You also have cloud-based executions. No need for local system resources. Now, who is Bolt.new for? Developers who want a fast AI-driven coding tool. People who need to prototype projects quickly without setups. Those who prefer a browser-based development environment. And now, what is Cursor? Cursor is a custom AI-powered code editor built on VS Code, especially designed for AI-assisted coding. It enhances development by integrating ChatGPT-like capabilities directly into your editor, helping with code generation, explanations, and refactoring. Now the key factors or key features of Cursor is going to be the VS Code based editor. It is fully featured IDE with AI integration. You have powerful AI assistance. It helps you generate, review, and optimize your codes. They have auto completion and refactoring. It speeds up code efficiency. It supports local and cloud projects. It works with existing projects seamlessly. You have multi-language supports. It's compatible with Python, JavaScript, and more. And so, what is Cursor for? It's for developers who want AI-powered coding assistant inside VS Code. Now, it's also for those working on larger, more complex projects. And lastly, it's for users who need deep AI assistance for coding and debugging. From there, let's go ahead and compare Bolt.new to Cursor. Now for their feature setup, Bolt.new requires no setup because it runs in the browser. Meanwhile for Cursor, it requires installation as a VS Code extension. Now for AI assistance, Bolt.new provides AI-based code generation and debugging. Meanwhile for Cursor, it uses ChatGPT-powered AI for advanced coding assistance. For coding speed, Bolt.new is designed for rapid prototyping and execution. Meanwhile for Cursor, they are focused on deep AI integration with VS Code. Now for IDE experience, Bolt.new is lightweight, browser-based interface. For Cursor, they have full-fledged code editor with deep AI support. And lastly, Bolt.new is best for quick coding, prototyping, and testing. Meanwhile for Cursor, it's best for long-term development and complex projects. From there, what are the pros and cons of Bolt.new? Basically, Bolt.new requires no installation because once again it runs in the browser. For another pro, they have fast AI assistance for quick prototyping. And lastly, for the last pro, they are ideal for small projects or testing snippets. And from there, the cons are going to be the lack deep customization like a full IDE. And the last con, in my opinion, is going to be it's not suitable for a larger scale projects. Now for Cursor, the pros are going to be it is integrated into the VS Code. It is a widely used IDE. Another pro is the advanced AI assistance for complex encoding tasks. And lastly, it supports local and cloud-based projects. Now the cons is going to be requiring installation and setup. And lastly, it's not as lightweight as a browser-based tool. And from there, let's navigate through the integration and compatibility. It is another crucial factor to consider when choosing between Bolt.new and Cursor is how well they integrate with other tools and platforms. Now, for the Bolt.new integration and compatibility is that they are browser based. It works on any device with any internet connection. It supports multiple languages. It works with Python, JavaScript, and more. And also, they are limited third party integration. It lacks deep integrations with external development tools, so you have to keep that in mind. And so, for Bolt.new, integration and compatibility is that they are built on VS Code. It is a fully compatible with VS Code extension. They are GitHub and GitLab support. You can easily integrate with your repositories, and it works with local and cloud environments. And so, if you need seamless integration with GitHub, local development, or other advanced tools, Cursor is the better choice. But if you want a simple standalone coding solution, Bolt.new gets the job done. Now let's also talk about the pricing comparison. When choosing between Bolt.new and Cursor, pricing is an essential factor, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective coding assistant. Now, Bolt.new is completely free as of now. Bolt.new is a free-to-use browser-based code editor. They have no subscription plans. Unlike many other AI coding tools, Bolt.new does not require payment for premium features. They have no usage limits. Users can code without worrying about hitting a paywall. Now for Cursor's plan, they have free plan. They have the basic AI assisted coding available but with limitations. They have Pro plan for $20 a month, which offers advanced AI completions, chat capabilities, and faster processing. They also have team plans for $40 per month per user. It is designed for teams needing enhanced collaboration and automation. Now, if you're looking for a completely free AI powered code editor, Bolt.new is the clear winner. However, Cursor's paid plan provides more powerful AI assistant, deeper integration with GitHub and VS Code extensions, making it a better choice for professional and teams. Now, Bolt.new and Cursor brings AI-powered coding to developers, but they cater to different use cases. If you're looking for a fast in-browser AI coding tool, Bolt.new is an excellent choice. However, if you want deeper AI integration inside a full-fledged IDE, then Cursor is the better option. You want to try them both and see which one enhances your development process. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like, subscribe, and follow for similar videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.